Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hello and welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, Naim, and today we're talking about a game-changing move by Ford that's set to revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. Ford, the iconic American car manufacturer, has just announced an innovative deal that could be the key to boosting electric car sales. From now on, whenever you buy a new Ford electric vehicle, you'll get not one but 3 freebies: a home charger, installation, and 10,000 miles of no-cost charging. That's right, folks. For a fraction of what it costs to charge an EV currently, you can enjoy the convenience and freedom of electric driving. But how does this offer work? Well, let's dive deeper into the details. The package includes an ohm home charger, which is provided absolutely free, including the cost of installation. That means you'll save hundreds of pounds on a device that would normally cost you to purchase out of your own pocket. But wait, there's more. You'll also get access to the Intelligent Octopus Go Smart Energy Tariff, which will automatically switch your charging to off-peak times when electricity is cheaper. Now, let's look at how this offer benefits both consumers and the environment. With a Ford electric vehicle, you can enjoy a smoother, quieter ride while reducing your carbon footprint. But what really makes this deal exciting is that it could be a turning point in the adoption of EVs across the UK. With more affordable charging options available, people will no longer have to worry about running out of charge or finding a charging station. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some numbers and data. According to figures from the UK's Department for Transport, there are currently over 6 million vehicles on the road that produce zero tailpipe emissions. That's up from just 1% in 1990. So what does this mean for the future of transportation? With more electric vehicle options becoming available, it's likely that we'll see a significant increase in the number of EVs on the road. Now, let's talk about some real-world examples of how Ford's deal is making a difference. Take InstaVolt, the UK's largest ultra-rapid charging provider. They've opened several new charging hubs across the country, including one in London that offers 400 kW charging and can charge an EV to 80% in under 20 minutes. But it's not just about Ford or InstaVolt. It's about creating a network of charging points across the UK. With more affordable charging options available, people will no longer have to worry about running out of charge or finding a charging station. Whether you're commuting to work, going on a road trip, or just need a quick top-up while out and about, with Ford's deal, you'll always be able to find a charging point. So there you have it, a game-changing move by Ford that could be the key to boosting electric car sales in the UK. With more affordable charging options available, people will no longer have to worry about running out of charge or finding a charging station. It's time to get charged up and join the electric revolution.